Hey y'all, so as I'm preparing to edit this vlog, I was thinking about something that happened the second day of Broadway Con, and I don't know why it took me a week later to remember that this happened, but I think it was because of the snowstorm, and I just wasn't thinking about this after it happened because the storm Jonas just completely threw off my thoughts and everything because it was just so crazy outside. But something happened as okay, so this is a scenario. This is the second day of Broadway Con, and I'm waiting to get on the train. I'm waiting for the 1 train to go downtown to the Hilton. So as I'm standing and I'm waiting, I'm like looking at the wall and I see something. So this is what I see. What is that? Is it like a sewer monster? Like, is it an alligator? Is it a lizard? Like, I don't know what that is. And I just kept on looking at it and looking at it and was like, well, it looks kind of like the same color as the wall, like that strip. It was like the same color as that. And I'm like, what could that be? Like, and it didn't move. And I'm like, is it like a dead something, like a dead animal? And like it's dirty because it's like the same color as that little strip that says B1 on it. Like, I was like, is it like a dead animal that is like covered with dirt or something? I was just like, what is that? Like, I did not understand. Like, and I was just like, I need to take a picture of it because I need proof that I saw this creature. Like, was it an alligator? I'm still confused, like, and I just now recently just thought about it because, like I said, of the snowstorm and everything else that happened during that day of Broadway Con, the second day. So I'm just now thinking about it, and I show my mom and I show my brother, and it's just like, what could that have been? Like, I could have been on the news by now, but I'm just not thinking about it like a week later. So, but you guys, what could that have been? It's still a mystery. I don't know, but if this video ends up on the news, you guys will probably see it, and yeah, it could be like a mystery, like what is it, like a urban legend type thing going on in New York, like sewer monsters and alligators. I don't know, it's weird, but anyway, yeah, so this is day 2 of Broadway Con.
Glinda, is it true you are her friend? Plot pivot line.
Hey everyone, so this is day 2 of Broadway Con. I just finished one panel that was, they were talking about Wicked and one of the guys from the original cast of Wicked, and I also did a cosplay panel, so that was fun. So now I'm just trying to figure out where do I want to go now. I might go to the marketplace, purchase some more things. I'm not sure yet, so I'm just walking, trying to figure out what I want to do. So I'm dressed as Dorothy from The Wiz Live. I'll post pictures. Hopefully I can edit pictures into here, into the video. So I think I'm going to go to the marketplace now, and I'll talk to you later. through today, what I had to walk through to get downtown. The storm of 2016 ruined Broadway Con. That's all I have to say. Okay, well, it didn't ruin it, but I'm pretty sure a lot of people had to switch up their schedules and like figure out how they was going to attend Broadway Con because of the snow. So I was able to take the train, and it wasn't that bad of a delay, but just walking through the snow to get there and then hoping that you're getting there on time for whatever panel that you wanted to see, and then you really didn't know if there was going to be like extreme delays. I actually wasn't waiting that long for the train, so that was good. And but then I had to leave early because I had to leave BroadwayCon early because the MTA was closing at 4. So my mom calls me and was like, you should leave now, which was like around 3:30, because the trains are closing at 4. So I'm still like, oh, like, they're probably not going to close it. Like, I don't know. I just was like trying to be hopeful that I could stay a little longer. And I saw him just looking around the marketplace like, yeah. And then when it actually started getting closer and closer to 4, I'm like, I need to leave, because what if I actually do get stuck down here? Like, I wouldn't know what to do. So I got on the train safely, and it wasn't that long or bad of a ride or a wait. So I'm thankful for that. But I'm just mad that I had to leave early. Like, but it's okay. Yeah, so I had a great time at BroadwayCon, and I'll talk to you guys later.